What's going on, everybody? So are you looking to make money with TikTok? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $1,300 in the past 7 days. On top of that, I grew my email list and I drove over 800 clicks to my website using TikTok, guys. Super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to start your online business. So guys, if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you some proof real quick on the traffic that I drove and the income. Okay, so first of all, let me show you here that I specifically drove 824 clicks in just the past few days. You can see just the past 7-8 days here using TikTok. Okay, and with this, we'll go to my Clickfunnels account. You can see most of that was from TikTok. I built my email list by almost 400 opt-ins, so 400 emails, and I'll talk about this here in a little bit, guys. But most importantly, I got over $1,300 worth of sales in the past 7 days, okay? So super excited to show you how to make money on TikTok and how you can get started as well, okay? So first of all, guys, when you're starting TikTok, you have to kind of know how you're monetizing, okay? I'm going to kind of walk you through the correct steps on what you need to do, okay? So let's walk through this here. You can see I also grew my YouTube channel by 33%. You can see here I took a poll on, where people found me, and 33% of people found me using TikTok. So that's just a bonus for you guys, okay? All right. So first thing you need to know is you need to set up your profile to let people know who you are, okay? And guys, I'm gonna walk you through this whole thing and how you can actually make money with this, but you have to set up your profile correctly, okay? So first thing you got to tell your followers is the 3 P's, okay? So you have to set up your profile and your bio perfectly, okay? So it has to have 3 things, okay? It has to have the person, the problem, and the promise, okay? So basically what that means is you have to tell people who you are, what problem you're going to help them solve, and the promise to them, okay? So you can see here, this is really simple, but it says YouTube, I teach people how to make money online as a complete beginner. So that's their problem, how to make money online as a beginner. And, how to make your first $10,000 per month, okay? That's basically the 3 P's, okay? It's going to be my who I am as a person, what problem I can solve for them, and then the promise I have for them, okay? Really important that you set up your bio this way. You can see here, this is how I have my bio set up, and it really helps because when people go to your profile, they know exactly who you are and how you're gonna be able to help them. That's really, really important, guys, okay? So once your profile is set up correctly, then we're going to start talking about how we start monetizing, okay? But first thing, next thing you got to do, the second thing is you got to sign up for a pro account, okay? This is important because you want to have analytics on your TikTok account, okay? So this is real easy. Once you sign up for a TikTok account, you just go to manage my account here, switch to pro account. It's a free account. You can see the analytics. You can see what day people are watching your videos. You can see which videos are performing better. Analytics is critical with an online business, okay? And I'm going to show you how we're going to monetize and actually make money with this, but I want you guys to get these steps down first, okay? So third thing, guys, is you want to start creating content, obviously, right? So you want to start creating videos, at least 3 posts per day. I've done like 10 per day, guys, because I'm seeing some massive results with TikTok, okay? And I'm going to show you how you can start monetizing this today, okay? Like you can start making money today, okay? But there's 3 core elements that you need in your post, okay? You need a hook, you need a story, and then you need an offer, okay? And that's how we're going to be making our money, which I'll show you here in a little bit, okay? But, okay, you need a hook, okay? Like the first, second needs to have a good headline, so a good text headline, and a good hook that's going to draw people in, okay? You're going to tell them a quick story. So you're going to, give them some value, and then you're going to give them an offer, okay? So I'm going to kind of explain how that works, okay? But another thing that you want to add is you want to add a sound. So basically what that means is if you're not familiar with TikTok, basically if you make a video, you can add a sound to that, okay? That's just going to help with the algorithm. So add a sound, you can add a caption, hashtag. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this here in a second, okay? But what we do is we hook them in, we tell them a quick story, and then we're going to have an offer for them, okay? So really basic, but a lot of people don't understand this concept, okay? And then I know what you're thinking, how are we actually going to make money? How am I, I don't have an offer, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to get to that, okay? Don't worry. I just want you guys to understand this process that I'm going to take you through, and then we're going to go back. I'm going to show you how we're going to make some good money. Okay. All right. So this is my hook. Okay. I'm gonna show you a lot of my hooks that are doing very well. Okay. You can see here, during Corona, most are binge watching Netflix. Okay. So that kind of hooks you in. Okay. So yeah, it's relevant to what's going on. And then you can see here that I have a caption with a hashtag. Okay. So you can see here, the caption is ready to start your online business. And then I have some hashtags, start your online business, start your own business, stuff that's relevant to the actual video. Okay. So what we want to do here is add hashtags that are relevant. Okay. A lot of people are adding these crazy hashtags like FYP, For You page, because they think they're going to go viral this way. Okay. Don't do that, guys. Go with hashtags that are relevant and small. Okay. When you're first starting out, you want to go smaller hashtags, longer tail hashtags. So like start your own business. That's a longer tail hashtag instead of just business, right? So you want to go longer tail. Okay. But what I really want you guys to understand here is the hook. Okay. What am I putting in the headline to draw people in? Okay. Obviously I can't play the video here. These are just screenshots, but this is another hook here. Feeling depressed and hated my job. Okay. So for me, I'm promoting a product that teaches you how to start an online business. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to do this as well. Okay. So just stick with me here. Another hook right here. I'm scared of going back to a job, not losing one. Okay. So that's another hook. Okay. And one more here, guys. After quitting my job as an electrical engineer, to start an online business. Okay, so people are drawing them in because there's people on TikTok are scrolling fast. You got to be able to draw them in within the first like half a second. Okay, it's really important that you understand the hook. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. How do we actually make money with this? Okay, now that we have our system set up, how do we actually make money? Okay, so that goes to create a perfect offer for your audience. Okay, well, I know what you're gonna ask me. Well, I don't have an offer. Well, that's why you have to do affiliate marketing. And that's what I teach on my channel, guys, is how to do affiliate marketing. So let me show you exactly what I do, okay? So if we go back, any of these videos, okay? So for example, this one right here, okay? The hook is, I'm scared of going back to a job and not losing a job, okay? So that's the hook, okay? The offer or the story on that is I'm telling them about, me quitting my electrical engineering job to do online marketing. I hated being at my job. And I want to help you guys start an online business. Click the link in the bio. That's my offer, right? Now, the offer, if we go back up here, okay, the offer is going to be right here, okay? So this is the actual offer. So TikTok allows some people to have a link in their bio, okay? And I know what you're thinking. Some people may not have that access yet, but that's okay. I was doing this before I had access, okay? So what you do is you have them go to the link in your bio. You can add a link like through text on the actual video. You can do that as well. That's the second option. Or the third option, which is this is what I did before I had the link, okay? You say, go to my Instagram account because you can add an Instagram account here, okay? Go to my Instagram account and message me the word, opportunity, and then you can send them the link there. There's 3 ways you can do that, okay? So obviously you can say, go to the link in my bio. You can say, message me on Instagram, or you can say, or you can have the actual link as a word text in the video, okay? That's not the best way to do it because people have to type it in and they're lazy. They won't do that, but you can do that as well, okay? But I know what you're thinking now. I don't have an offer. So there's a few things you can do to get an offer, okay? So what you can do, I'm going to show you this is the quicker way. I'm going to show you the better way. Okay. This is just the quick way to do it. If you're looking to kind of, if you don't want to kind of build emails, you're looking to kind of make quick money. Okay. This is not the way I recommend, but you go to clickbank.com, you go to the affiliate marketplace, you choose an offer. Let's just say e-business and e-marketing, and you can choose any of these offers here. Okay. You can choose any of these offers. You can hit promote. And you can basically, okay, this one has to be pre-approved. Let's just try this one here. Yeah, so you can put your nickname here if you have a Clickbank account. This is basically a place where you can promote products digitally and make money, okay? It's called Clickbank if you guys haven't heard of it. Most of you have before if you're watching my channel, okay? But basically, you could grab this link here, and that's the link that you would promote, okay? Now, this is what I do, guys. This is what you should be doing if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business, okay? There's a right way to do affiliate marketing. There's a wrong way, okay? So what I do, guys, is I actually collect an email lead before I send them to the actual offer, okay? So if I go back here And like I said, okay, so hook story offer, right? So the hook is during Corona, most people are binge watching Corona or watching Netflix, and then I tell them a story. So I'm telling them, guys, you should be starting an online business. You shouldn't be wasting your time. That's kind of the story. And then the offer is, let me help you start your first online business. Okay, click the link in the bio. That goes here. Okay, that goes to this link here. So what this link goes to, and I'm just going to go to the link here. What this does is, let me just go to it real quick. This goes to my opt-in page, okay? The purpose of this page, guys, is to collect an email address, okay? The reason is because most people are not going to buy your offer right away, okay? So you can see here that, let me go back to my stats here. So out of 900 visitors, so 900 people clicked on this page, okay? And out of those 900 people, 387 actually entered their email, okay? So 300 people entered their email here, okay? Now, out of those 300 people, I don't have the stats to show you right now, but out of those 300 people, about 5% actually bought the product that I have to sell, okay? And that's a $7 product to show them how to start an online business, okay? So what that means is, if we go back here, remember I said 10% of these people won't actually buy. So what happens is you have to follow up with them using email, okay? And that's the goal of this business, is you're building up your email list, okay? And what most people do wrong is they'll go to Clickbank and they'll just pick one of these offers and they won't collect any email addresses. Guys, that's not how you build a long-term business, okay? What you need to do is you need to collect an email address and then send them to the offer, okay? That's how you do affiliate marketing, okay? And that's how you basically monetize, and that's how you make money with TikTok, okay? So let me show you what to do, okay? So let me just show you one more time, okay? So you want to have the profile perfectly set up, because people are going to go to your profile. If you look at your stats, people are looking at your profile. They're looking what you do, how you can help them, stuff like that, okay? And so you want to make sure your profile is set up. You want to make sure you have your analytics set up. You want to make sure you're doing the posting correctly, okay? If you can master hook story offer, you'll never have to work a job in your life, okay? I promise you that. And that's something my mentor has taught me. It's in many, many books that I've read. And this is something I teach on my channel as well, is the hook story offer, okay? If you guys can master that, you guys are going to make a lot of money. Now, I know what you're thinking now. How do you build this page? How do you build this bridge page here? How do you build this affiliate page where I can collect an email and send them to an offer, guys? So what you do, I have videos on how to do that. So I have a video. Let me see if I can find it on here. 20-minute. There's a video where I show you how to do this in 20 minutes, okay? It's called the 20-minute affiliate funnel, okay? It shows you how to build affiliate funnel so you can basically collect email address, okay? So watch this video here, guys, and this will show you how to do that, okay? But this is how I'm making money with TikTok. I'm literally I'm creating content and I'm sending them to an offer, or I'm telling them a story, okay? I'm hooking them in with the content. I'm telling them a quick story, and then I'm sending them to an offer. You can see, guys, you can see all the traffic I'm driving. This link here, create your first business, this bit.ly link, this one here is the only link I have just specifically for TikTok, okay? So this link right here, okay? And guys, I was doing this before I had this link. I would say, guys, go to my Instagram, message me, and then I'll send you the offer, okay? So just give them a really, really strong call to action, okay? So what to do next, okay? So I know this is a lot. If you've never done affiliate marketing, if you have no idea how it works, guys, let me help you with that, okay? So there's a 15-day challenge that's going to help you get started with your online business, okay? So this challenge right here, okay? It's a challenge called Legendary Marketer, and it basically takes you through a 15-day challenge showing you how to create these bridge pages, showing you how to pick a good offer, showing you how to get traffic, which that's what this video is about, right? How to get traffic using TikTok. But what I'm showing you is how to actually monetize that, okay? Monetizing is very, very important. A lot of people don't know how to monetize correctly, especially with YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Guys, I can literally monetize any channel I want because I know how to correctly monetize, okay? It's just a skill that I have acquired. And if you want to acquire this skill, go through this challenge. It's only $7, okay? It's going to be the first link in the description below. It's going to show you how to build out these pages, figure out how to get an offer, and you can literally get started like very, very quickly, guys. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. You can go to Clickbank, choose an offer, and just throw it up. It may or may not work. The best way to do it, guys, is doing it the way I showed you, is collecting that email list or email lead, okay? That's going to be the most important thing, guys. If you do not collect that email lead, you can't follow up. You're not building a sustainable long-term business. Guys, I want to show you that, I did this 10 months ago, okay? I started out, I was at a job, actually, and I was at my electrical engineering job, and I was able to start my affiliate marketing business, and I left my job within 9 months, okay? So guys, it's totally possible to make money, and TikTok's just one avenue. I make money from TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat now, Pinterest. This is just one way I make money. So guys, there's tons of ways you can make money. If you really want to learn how to do that, click the first link in the description. It's going to take you to the challenge, and you can start monetizing your social media. Not just TikTok, but all of them, Facebook, Instagram, all of them, guys. You can monetize all of them if you know what you're doing. So I hope this video was of value. I'm going to be coming out with more videos on how to drive more traffic with TikTok, YouTube, all kinds of stuff, guys. I'm really excited for this next few months that I have for you guys. And so subscribe to the channel. I hope this video was of value, and we'll talk to you guys soon.